Well, everyone, how's everybody doing? It's Dennis, of course, from J&D, and happy Thanksgiving from me and Jody and whole families together. We're going to spend some time over with Jody's family this Thanksgiving. Very special for me. They're great people, and it's always good, to spend some family time together. So, hope you all can enjoy it, to all my brothers and sisters and everyone else, my sons. Happy Thanksgiving to them. I don't know if you heard some rumbling off to the side. That's just some of these crazy cats, and they may be joining us here quickly on screen. I don't know. Anyhow, very short week this week. We had terrible weather Saturday morning. Spent some time with my faves, the Sanderlings, and did photograph some ducks, but I wasn't, thrilled with it, so I threw them out the window. Every now and then you just have one days. But Saturday was in Central Mass, got me some nice house finches and some golden crown kinglets, which, woohoo, golden crown kinglets, my little faves. Yes, they are my absolute faves. So, anyhow, still hoping to put something up some way, do a giveaway or something like that, but things are getting a little hectic. We do have the J&D Nature Images website. If anyone, wants to make a comment on that, it's the best way to get a hold of me, or I guess in the comments below on this too. I don't even know how that works anymore. Anyhow, really thank you for tuning in, and just gonna roll with this, okay? And you all have a wonderful holiday, okay? Peace. Thank you. Well, everyone, look who came to say Happy Thanksgiving. This is Houdini, also known as the princess in this house. She's a sweetie. Again, have a happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for tuning in. I know somebody could watch this like 5 weeks from now and Thanksgiving be over. Like, what the heck's going on? But, you know me, I'm just doing live. I did throw in few photos at the end of the mink. That is one of my minks, okay? From the winter, and she's a good boy. Yeah, she's such a sweet. Let's see if she does a dance. Do. No, anyhow, I'm losing it. Hopefully, we'll get it together. We'll be able to get something on for next week. I'm keeping my fingers crossed mobility-wise. If I don't, I'll probably put together some stuff, from the earlier months and maybe start working on something for the Christmas season. So thanks for tuning in. Peace all, and really have a great holiday.